Welcome to Tesla Info, and today we're going to talk about replacing the front number plate. In some countries, the front number plate is held in a large and ugly bracket. Many owners wish to improve the look by either removing the bracket and attaching the number plate more elegantly, or to use a vinyl number plate for a smooth look. The number plate is held in place by a frame, which is, in turn, held by some simple clips. The frame can be simply teased away and the number plate can be removed. Once the number plate has been removed, the outer bracket or plinth can be removed by undoing a number of screws. This will reveal a smaller plinth. Some owners decide to attach the number plate directly to this smaller inner plinth. This plinth can, however, also be removed. Some more screws hold the inner plinth to the front of the car. Once removed, the bumper or fender will be revealed. Take care not to damage the paint. The number plate can be attached directly to the bumper. If a vinyl number plate is to be fitted, the existing holes need to be prepared to make them flat. In our experience, the holes do not need to be filled in. Once the area is smooth and cleaned, the vinyl number plate can be attached. Spray a fine mist of soapy water over the area to allow easy repositioning, and then smooth out any air bubbles. Due to our filming, we took several attempts which resulted in a less than perfect finish. However, as the number plate dries, many of the bubbles do disappear. Either way, we're sure you will do a better job than we did. When changing the number plate, make sure you comply with local regulations, as these differ from area to area. We think this is a fairly simple DIY job and looks much better than the number plate mounting from the factory.